Hello friends, welcome to the second video of this playlist. In this we are going to use Arduino Uno and we are going to make some small projects using block code on Tinkercad. To do so I am going to take an Arduino Uno from basic components. Now for this project I will be using my breadboard as it becomes easy to make connections on breadboard. Now I will be using three LEDs. The first LED is a red one, second LED is the orange one, and the third LED is the green one. So three color LEDs. Let us arrange this on breadboard. So the first red one, the orange one, and the green one. So I have all the three. I'll just arrange them in proper manner. Okay. So let's connect these LEDs. Now if I can zoom on this, so the tilted leg or the longer leg is the anode, that is the positive, and the shorter leg is the cathode, so which is going to be connected to the ground. Talking about the breadboard, you can see all these holes are connected to each other. Similarly, all these holes. So it goes on. If you take a cursor on a particular hole, you can see which all holes are connected. If I bring it here, you can see all the holes. Similarly, if you take onto the rails, that is the side part, you can, if I bring it here, all these holes are connected horizontally, while these holes are connected vertically. So breadboard makes our connections easy, or it helps us to make connections easily. Now I'm going to use my Arduino. First thing, I'm going to set up my LEDs. So I'm going to we have to remember the pins on which we are going to connect our LEDs. So for green LED, I'm going to select green color, jumper wire. The color of the wire doesn't matter, but still, so I'm going to connect green on pin number 2 of Arduino. So we just have to remember the pin number. So green LED is on pin 2. Similarly, my orange LED, so I'll take a orange color. My orange LED is on pin 3. So it is digital pin 3. You can see here. And my red LED, so I'll change the color to red. My red LED is on pin 4. So we have 2, 3 and 4. So this is on 2, this is on 3, that is my green is on 2, my orange is on 3 and my red is on 4. Now let's connect all the cathodes, that is the negative terminals. So for that I would be requiring ground. So ground is always shown by a black wire. So I am showing ground, I am connecting ground to this particular rail. You can see I've connected ground to this rail. So this all holes belong to ground. So now I am going to take this and going to connect it here. So this end of the LED is connected to ground. Similarly, the orange one and the green one. So my connections are ready. You can see my connections. Red is on pin number 4, orange is on pin number 3 and green is on pin number 2. Now let's start our program or code. So for coding it this time, I'll be using blocks and text. Okay, so that you can see the text here as well. So on start, first thing is I am going to give it some message on the serial monitor. So I'm putting it here, LED signal, signal signal system, as it's an LED based signal system. So when I am going to put my Arduino on, so I am going to get this message on the serial monitor. Next, in the forever block, let us set up the pins and let us give them the orders. So as I know, I want my red LED on, so I will say red LED is on pin number 4. I told you we need to remember the pins, correct? So I am putting this here, set, and remove this one. Okay, so set pin number 4 to high. Okay, set pin number 4 to high. Then I can also put a message there. In the message I'll put red LED on, and then wait for, let's say, 5 seconds. Red LED on, wait for 5 seconds, and then again I'm saying set pin 4, that is my red LED, to low, and similarly at the same time set pin 3, that is my orange, on high. And then I'll type the message again on the screen, that is orange LED on. So orange is on pin number 3, correct? So I have my pin number 3 on, and then I will control it using a wait block, that is wait on for 5 seconds, and then I can say set pin 3 to off, to low. So as you can see, the whatever changes I am making in the block code, the program in C++ is automatically getting written here. So it becomes easy for us to copy the code and then put it into Arduino when you are physically connecting it. So I've connected, my red LED is low. Now what I need to do is put on the green LED. So I'll take set pin, not the set pin, and put set pin 2 to high. So my green LED is on. I'll serial print it. So green LED on, and I will wait for 5 seconds. 5 seconds, and then my green LED low. So serial set pin 2 to low. Okay, so I hope the program is clear to you. So on start, my serial monitor is going to show me LED signal system, then it is going to go on new line, then in forever pin number 4, which is my red LED, will be on for 5 seconds, then it will be off, then I'll get my orange LED on, and it will be there for 5 seconds, then it will be off, and then I'll get my green LED on. Okay, so I hope you have understood it. Now let us see if this code is running smoothly and we are getting the output which we want. So I am starting the simulation. I'll switch off the code. So see, you can see red on for 5 seconds, now orange on for 5 seconds, and green on for 5 seconds. As you can see, it's showing a blast symbol here. Now can anyone tell me what's wrong here? What correction needs to be done? I had actually told this in the last video. You can pause the video and give a thought, and if you know it, you can put it in the comments. So I'm making a change here. As we did last time, we are going to add a resistor. So let's remove this connections here, and let us put a resistor. So I'm taking 3 resistors, and I'm putting 200 ohms resistance. I'm not putting very high resistor here. So using this, I can rotate the resistor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a resistor here. See, as you can see, these holes are connected. So I put a resistor here, and I'll make the connections from here till here. See, so this is my resistor. I'll take the second one, 200 ohms. I can rotate the resistor and I'll put it here. Third one. Okay, let's complete the connections. So my connections are ready. So the only difference which I did is I put a resistor here after all the or between LEDs and Arduino, so that I can control the flow of current. All those who commented correct in the comments, thumbs up to them. Good. So I am starting the simulation again. So see, my issue is solved. Now I can see all the 3 LEDs glowing in proper manner, and I am also protecting my Arduino, so there is no issue of any rise in current. So in this way, I have successfully made a traffic light signal using a block code. I hope you understood the entire project. So every day I will be adding small videos like this. I hope you do subscribe to my channel and do like the video and share it with your friends. Have a good day. Thank you.